If you're struggling to become a profitable trader, there's a high chance that it's not actually your trading strategy, your lack of time or knowledge, or any of these other stories that you tell yourself. If you're consistently getting stopped out, or your trading feels more like luck than actual skill, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be showing you a tool that every good and professional trader uses. And not only that, I'm going to be showing you how you can get this tool 100% free. And if that's not enough, I'm also going to show you over the next 30 days how you can actually make crypto from it. So you know what to do. Hit that like button down below. And if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing and we'll get into this video. If you want to become a consistently profitable trader, besides having a trading strategy that works for you, there are some other really important key metrics that you need to be tracking along the way. Every professional trader knows that having the skill alone is not enough. I mean, it's a good starting point, but that's all it is. It's just a starting point. So let's go through what a trader must know and track about themselves in order to get to the point where they can call themselves consistently profitable. The first key metric is called your win rate. Now, every good trader, they won't judge themselves based on the result of only their last trade. They will judge themselves based on a group of trades. How they group that is up to them. Sometimes a trader might judge themselves based on the results of their last 10 trades, 20, 30, whatever it is. Another trader might judge themselves based on all the trades they took in the last week or in the entire month. So, for example, a trader would take the last 10 trades that they did and they will analyze how many did I win and how many did I lose. The result of that is what is called their win rate. So if out of my last 10 trades, I won 6 trades and I lost 4 trades, then my win rate is 60%. However, your win rate is not the only key metric that you need to manage, because you could win 6 trades, lose 4, and actually still not be a profitable trader. And the reason for this is because of the next metric, which is called your average risk to reward. This works in combination with the win rate, and this is how you calculate how profitable you are as a trader over time. A risk to reward is a tool that you can actually use in TradingView, and it works like this. You decide where you want to enter the trade. Based on previous price action, you will then decide where your stop loss needs to be and also your take profit. If your risk is 1% and your reward is 4%, then your risk reward is 1 to 4. That means on this trade, you're willing to risk 1% of your entire trading account for the hope that you'll make 4% if you're right and the trade plays out to where you had initially set your take profit. Every trader should decide what their minimum risk to reward is going to be on every trade they take. And so that means when you're going through your charting process daily, you might see a trade setup that looks fairly good, but once you add in your personal minimum risk to reward, where the take profit should be, if it falls below what you have decided is your minimum risk to reward, you can't take that trade. Even though you know it's a trade that's going to play out, you have to let it go because it doesn't meet your minimum requirements. And if you chase trades like that, that's what could end up leading to you having a lower risk to reward, which would mean in the end you have to have a higher win rate. Because the lower the risk to reward, the more often you actually have to be right in order to be profitable. If you have a higher minimum risk to reward that you set as yourself as your rule for your trading, you don't actually have to be right as often in order to still be profitable. So here's the pros and cons of both. If you decide that your minimum risk to reward is going to be a lower one, something like a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1 risk to reward, then what that means is that you actually have to be right more often. That is the downside. It means that it's going to require more skill. But the upside is you'll probably be presented with a lot more trading opportunities. On the other hand, if you decide that your minimum risk to reward is going to be higher, like a 4-to-1 or a 5-to-1, you don't actually have to be right all that often. But the downside is you will have a lot less trading opportunities. And this is why it comes down to a personal choice that each trader has to make for themselves. So the way these two things work together looks like this. Down the left-hand side, you can see the minimum risk to reward, and across the top, you can see the win rate. If my minimum risk to reward is 1 to 5, then I only have to win 20% of the trades I take in order to be profitable. Meaning, out of 10 trades, I can actually get 8 wrong and only 2 right and still make money. But if I reduce my minimum risk to reward to only 1 to 1, then 60% of my trades have to play out in profit, which means I would have to be a lot more skilled in order to stay profitable. So by now you're probably wondering, well, how do I track all of this? This seems really complicated. You track things like this along with other metrics in something that is called a trading journal. Now, a trading journal can be something as simple as an Excel or a Google spreadsheet that you design yourself. And every time you take a trade, you have to go in and enter the details of that trade. And if you can set formulas and whatnot over a period of time, it can calculate all of these things for you. I mean, this is time consuming and it's extremely manual, and to be honest, it's irritating. And for that reason, it's the reason that most people actually don't ever bother tracking their trades. And as a result, they never end up becoming a consistently profitable trader. So another way you can do it is by purchasing a monthly subscription to an online trading journal software. And what they do is you can link the software with an API to your exchange, and then it will automatically put in all the data and spit out some results for you whenever you want to look at it. For the most part, it's fairly automated. But for this kind of software, you do have to pay a monthly fee. Now stop. If you think I'm about to shill you some online trade journal software that you're going to have to pay for every month, then you forgot what I told you at the very start of this video. Let's rewind. I'm going to be showing you how you can get this tool 100% free. That's right. Now is the time to show some gratitude for the non-shill. You can do that by smashing the like button below. OKX, one of my favorite trading platforms out there, has just changed the game for crypto traders. They have just released a futures online trade journal. And guess what? If you have an OKX account, it's already available in your account right now. All you have to do is trade as you normally trade, and the OKX platform will track everything for you. So let me show you how to find it. But first things first, you're going to need an OKX account. And by this stage of the video, I kind of feel like I've earned the right to shill, especially because between you and me, this trade journal exists because I asked OKX to build it for us so that my users did not have to pay for a separate subscription service just to track their trades on their journey towards becoming a profitable trader. You're welcome. So if you don't have an OKX account and you can use OKX in your region, the link below is going to give you access to a lot of other benefits besides this trading journal. And these benefits are exclusive using only the link below. But I'm going to get to that later on in the video. Now, once you have your OKX account and you're logged in, you're going to come up here where it says assets and then look for analysis. Click on that, and that's going to bring you to this page where you can see it has asset analysis, and to the right of that, it says futures analysis. That is where our futures trade journal is located. You can see here that currently it only records USDT margin perpetual futures. This is the first stage of the trade journal. There are a lot more features that will be developed over time, but for now it gives you the basics of everything you need. Now I'll switch to my test account so I can show you what it actually looks like. Up on the trading calendar here, you can select the dates if you want to change anything, if you want to analyze a certain month, for example, and the entire calendar displayed will show you day by day your win and loss in your USDT value. You can see here I've only taken one trade in this month and it was a loss at $10.59. If I had more trades on this calendar, the realized P&L would show me the realized P&L of the entire month. If I had any profits, it would show me that there. Unfortunately, my test trade was a loss, so there's nothing to show there. And then it shows me based on all of the trades in this section, what was my win rate and what was my loss rate. Underneath that, you can see that there also, if I had more trades, there would be a risk to reward ratio. And so this automatically covers the two metrics I told you that every trader needs if they want to be consistently profitable. Below that, we have some other key data as well, and this is based on the last 30 days, but you can change it to 7, 90 or all. It shows you your realized P&L, your total profits, your total loss, your average P&L, your average P&L percentage. P&L is profit and loss. Also shows you your hold time. So on average, how long do you actually hold trades for? Now that can be really crucial information because it can help you to identify your trading personality essentially. It can help you to identify that if you're not holding on to trades for too long, then you fit into the day trading or the scalping category of trader. But if you hold trades for days to weeks at a time, then you're kind of a swing or a position trader. It also shows the number of your closed positions, your winning and your losing positions, and your number of break-even positions. Your win and loss rate is detailed down here, and your risk to reward is also detailed down here. And finally, it also will show you here a list of the coins that you traded in that period of time. And this is actually really useful because it can show you a certain coin that you may actually win more often with than not, or other coins that maybe they just don't work with your strategy. And by simply no longer trading those things, you automatically increase your win rate. And that is the OKX Trade Journal, completely 100% free. It really is as easy as that. Now, I promised you not only a free software, but a way to actually make free crypto over the next 30 days. So let's get into that. In celebration of the launch of the OKX 100% free trading journal, TTC, that's me, in conjunction with OKX, have just released a community-only trading competition. All you have to do is click the link below, which will take you to this page. Once you're on this page, just click the Join Now button, and once that button changes to Enrolled, you will know that you are now part of the competition. If you already have an OKX account, you will instantly become part of the comp as soon as that button changes to Enrolled. If not, you can create one and then you can participate. So here's all the ways in which you have a chance to make money by entering this comp with us using the link below. OKX are giving away up to 10,000 USDT in rewards for the best P&L and or trading volume, which you can now track on your fancy new trading journal. The second way that you're going to make money is by using only the link below to create your OKX account. That link below comes with an exclusive 20% trading fee discount. It is one of the highest, if not the highest, trading fee discounts that you can get in the crypto industry as a whole. So how does it work? As you may know, as a trader, every time you take a trade, when you open the trade, close the trade, or for every period of time that 8 hours clicks over that you hold a trade, you are paying trading fees. Those fees get paid to the exchange, and the exchange will offer part of those trading fees as a commission back to the person who encouraged you to join. In this case, that would be me. As a creator, I have a choice to return some of that commission back to you via the exchange itself, which you will see in your account as a trading fee rebate. And I choose to return as much as the exchange will allow me to return back to my users to show gratitude and thank you for your love and support for the channel. So yeah, smash the like button on that one, my friends, because there's not many creators who do it. And the third and final way in which you have a chance to make money by joining us in this private TTC community OKX competition is directly through us, TTC. In addition to a share in the 10,000 USDT rewards that OKX are giving you, TTC are topping that up with another 2,200 USDT in rewards that you can get again for P&L and trading volume. Told ya, free trading journal and free trading money. Yeah, I know, I'm just an angel. You can leave me a comment down below and tell me that because I can never hear it enough. But let me show you exactly what you need to know in order to be part of this competition. Step 1 is to use the link below to create your OKX account if you don't already have one, and then make sure your account is funded with a minimum of 100 USDT. You can then join the competition. The direct link to join the competition is also linked down below. You just hit the Join Now button, and once that button changes to Enrolled, you are enrolled in the competition. As a side note, as long as you have used one of our links to create your OKX account, the UID that comes with that account also gets you access to our Discord. In our Discord is where we'll be sharing trades for this competition, and you can chat with other members who are all part of this competition together. To find your UID in your OKX account, just come up to the little person icon, and you'll see that it says here UID with a bunch of numbers. Just highlight the numbers and copy those numbers. Then grab the Discord link from the description of this video, and that will bring you to this page. You can scroll down, look for the OKX button, and simply paste in your UID and your email and hit submit. Once your UID is confirmed, the free channels of our Discord will open up for you. In order to claim the extra TTC rewards, once the competition ends, which is 31st of March, you will be able to send a screenshot of your trading trading journal for the month, and anyone who submits that within 7 days after the competition ending will go in the draw to win part of that $2,200 USDT. Your trade journal is 100% private, and the instructions on how to submit that will be located in the Discord. Registrations for the competition are now open, so be sure to use the link down below to create your OKX account if you need one. Come and join us for the competition and enjoy the 100% free trading journal from OKX.